Hi, this is Mark from Showing Construction, and today we're going to be replacing this entry light with this 6-inch LED recessed ceiling box. And the nice thing about this is we're going to update it. It's going to be flat with the ceiling. And the nice thing about this box, this light, it has a junction box included. It's going to make this very easy to replace this light. So we're going to get started right now. And the first thing we're going to do is turn this light off. And I'm taking the wires loose. All right. Okay, I'm going to take my little screw gun here and I'm going to remove this blue box. Okay. Okay, we have a stud, we have a ceiling joist right here, but that's the nice thing about these lights is you can cut the hole out and the ceiling joist does not affect the placing of the light because the light is only as thick as the drywall. These lights, sometimes they come with a template, a little light cardboard template for your cutout, but my box did not have one, so we got a little dish here, a little plate that's exactly the size I needed. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to set it up here. And I'm going to stay, it's not exactly the center, but it's very close. So I'm going to cut it out, but I'm going to stay inside this mark because this plate is just a hair bigger than a template would be. So now I'm going to take my keyhole saw and I'm going to cut this hole out. So I'm going to cut this out. And I'm going to finish it with my utility knife. I'll finish cutting this out. Well, I've got that all cut out now. That's the hole that I need to put this in. Now this light, it'll just clip on the ceiling with these clips, and it's very thin. So that's why even if a joist would have been dead center, you can still put this light in because it's really super thin. So I'm going to disconnect it right now so I don't have to have this hanging. So I'm going to be working with this junction box. I purchased a little push-in connector separately. You can get these at Home Depot. And these also have push, this particular one has just push-in connectors, so I don't need wire nuts. And this is a little push connector. You pop a hole, take a screwdriver, and I'm just going to have a slot in here. You just stick a screwdriver in there and work this back and forth to release that plug. You put this push-in connector in that hole. You're going to take and put these wires right through the slot of this pushing connector. And push it up just so you catch the jacket. You're going to catch the jacket of the wire. And then you take and you're going to hook the ground. And this has been painted, so I'm going to make sure we get the right one and hook the ground up to the green. And we'll push it in. And that's the ground, and then we're going to do the neutral. I'm going to hook the neutral in the neutral, and then the power, the black wire. We're going to push it into this black pushing connector. Okay. Sorry, my hands got in the way of the camera, but so I have the ground hooked up, the power, and the neutral. And I'm going to push these all in the box here. And close the lid down, and there it is. That's the junction box. And these don't have to be mounted. They'll just stick this up in the attic. And now I'm going to go ahead and hook my light back up into this push connector. Tighten it up. Stuff this in the attic, and then now, once that's in, we're just going to clip this on either side. And there it is. Got the light, and now we're going to test it. We got a light. And this is, we're just going to touch this up with paint where the old light was, and that's it. So if this video has helped you, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to check out my channel and see more videos that I've already done. And there's been about 30 or 40 videos, and we'll keep bringing these videos to you as they come up. Thanks for watching.